Hi, I'm Yannick from Vasha Photography, and in this video I'll be doing the unboxing of the new LED video light from Savage called LED Plus. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing as I often post videos related to photography and editing. So let's get started and let's do the unboxing of this video light. Also, at the end of this video, I'll put this video light into a softbox and light the same scene and show you the difference from using the natural light that we have right now here and using the video light. So there were a few reasons why I decided to go with this video light. The first reason is that it has Bowens mount, which allows me to put different light modifiers on this light. Two, that it has a quiet fan, so this video light is very good for YouTube videos where you don't want to have any noise from the fan. And three, it has a remote control, so you can control the power remotely of this video light. So this is the box. Let me see what are the specs here. So this is a 40 watts LED light. The color temperature is 5600 K. The luminosity is at 3500 lumens with the reflector and 2200 lumens without the reflector. So obviously with the reflector you get a little bit more light. So let's get started. Okay, so this is how it looks when you open the box. First thing here, let's see what it is. Okay, so this is the power cable here. This is the 7-inch reflector. What is cool about about this reflector, that it has an umbrella shaft, so you can actually put an umbrella through this reflector, which is very uncommon for the 7-inch reflectors to have it. And you can see it has the Bowen mount, so you can attach this to our video light. Okay, let me just put this here for now. This is the remote control. So this is a very simple remote control. It has just on and off and the power. Let me just put it here for now. This is the bracket, so to attach the light to a light stand. So very simple, with the shaft here in the top and the bottom, and then there's a space for the umbrella here as well, so if you want to put it. I believe this is the second part of the power outlet. So this connects here. I forgot to mention that this light is battery operated as well as AC operated, so you can use in both ways, which is really cool. This is the battery. This is using the Sony standard battery. This is the NPF 750 or 770. So this is a pretty standard Sony battery that can be used with this light. This is the charger for the Sony battery. What else do we have here? Oh, we have the shaft here for attaching the light to the bracket or any stand, so that goes here. And now for the light, this is the light. So it's very small. And let me attach the Bowen attachment. So basically like this, it locks in, and we have the light with the 7-inch reflector. If we attach the battery, so this is how it is. Okay, and if I turn it on, oh, here it is. This is the turn it on here. Okay, so this is the light, and I'm running at 73% now, and you can actually no, it's 7%. This is at 100%. So you can see it's pretty bright, and you can dim from 5% up to 100%. This is really it. Oh, I forgot to mention, I don't know if I mentioned it, that the color temperature is, let me see, color temperature is 5600 K. So that's what it is. So now I'm gonna put this light into an Octa softbox and put it on me here, and you will see what difference it makes in terms of the light quality for the video. So stay tuned. I'm gonna just install it and I'll be right back. Okay, so now the LED Plus is in the softbox. It has dual diffusion, so it has the inner baffle and the exterior diffuser. So this is still without the light. Now we have the remote here, so we're going to turn on in just a second. Just a reminder that this remote does not come with batteries in the light, so you have to put 2 AAA batteries for the remote to operate. So let's turn it on. Okay, so this is how it looks with the LED light now on. You can see that there's definitely a big difference in the quality of light on me for a simple YouTube video. If I turn off again, this is how it looks like. Now I'm going to turn it on again, and if this is too much light, I can always reduce the light. This is with the remote. Here it is. So maybe if I want just like, you know, this power just somewhere, you know, halfway, this is how it works. So again, this is the LED Plus light from Savage. It's a great light, you know, very quiet. We may be also taking it outdoor for evening photos when we photograph weddings. So stay tuned. We're definitely going to give you some examples when we use it on the wedding day. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe, to give it a thumbs up, tell your friends about it, and stay tuned for the next video. Talk to you soon.